Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop, and as you've seen from the title, this is a sticker board update. I think it's number 9. So first of all, just a general apology to everyone as far as stickers are concerned. I've got massively behind with these, and the ones we're going to look at today have been here for a while. So and more generally, this is my last week in the workshop, and then I'm going to be out of the workshop for 8 weeks. So I've got the first 2 weeks will be self-isolation before my hip replacement operation, and then the following 6 weeks I can't drive, so I'm not, I won't be able to get there. So I'll be making a number of videos and stuff to put out during that time. And just preparing generally at home to be able to cope with the operation. So apologies to everyone for my being on the missing list. During the 6 weeks at home, I hope to send out, I will send out all the stickers that I have promised to send to people. So I'll get that done, and then I will catch up on all the videos made by the other YouTube creators. So anyway, let's get on with what we're talking about today. So we've got 3 stickers today, all from the US. So we start off with Ed from EC Workshop. So let me show you his sticker. So there's Ed's sticker. Now Ed reached out to me, and to be honest, I've only just subscribed to Ed's channel, and I need to spend some more time watching a lot of his videos, and sorry Ed for that, but as I've just explained, life's got in the way somewhat. But he talks on his landing page, he talks about how he does metal work, woodwork, welding, fishing, hunting and shooting. So there's quite a broad spectrum there, and I particularly enjoy the ones like Ed's, in as much as, living here in Great Britain, seeing different countries and their different ways of living. So it's lovely watching all the machining stuff, but it's also pretty interesting, I find, to see different aspects of how they cope with the weather and the different environments out there. So yeah, so Ed, it's definitely worth going over and having a look at Ed's channel, and I'm sure he'll make you most welcome. And once again, Ed, sorry for the slowness to one, show your video, your sticker, and 2, watch many of your videos, but I will catch up. Okay, so that's Ed. So let's have a look at sticker number 2. So this is Al. So AWDjr, which is Al's channel there. So we got that there. Now Al's he's a long-term YouTuber, far longer than myself, and he's an expert in welding, amongst other things. He's got but he's got lathes and such like in his machine shop, and Al was one of the long-term participants in the AWDjr discussions that used to be held on a Sunday night. He does have a wealth of knowledge, and I know Al's had some times when he's been away from YouTube, dealing with different family issues, but he's now trying to grow his channel, and there's definitely things to be learned from Al, because he does know what he's talking about, where if you need to understand about welding. So yeah, I would encourage you to go over to have a look at Al's channel. With all these, the links to these channels will be in the video description, and also all the other ones. There's a playlist where all the other sticker updates are. So if you're new to my channel and want to go and find different ones, there are many great channels here to watch. So anyway, thanks Al for your sticker. I'm really pleased to have that on my sticker board. So our third one today is, well, just everyone knows 𝗀𝗘𝗢 really. So let's we've got a bit of a shadow there. That's better. So actually, let me just run this little clip from what was it, Rough Cut 2022, and I did a little thing about 𝗀𝗘𝗢. So let me run this, and then we'll talk a bit more about Joe. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I need a drink and some inspiration. 𝗀𝗘𝗢 always gives me inspiration. Okay, so it was a bit, you know, a light-hearted sort of this thing about Joe, but actually Joe he is very inspirational, and if you want to learn about machining, Joe's you know, the first door you should knock on really. He's got so much knowledge there, and he's also been showcasing many of his skills with these really small models that he's been making, and it's they're very good, you know, to watch. And he does explain. He's got lots of tips there, and you know, lots of the other YouTube creators, in fairness, do just rehash what Joe's. You know, many times I watch people, and I can see. Yeah, I've seen this before on Joe's channel. So he is a good guy, and he's definitely worth checking out. So yeah, it's very hard to say anything about Joe because it's just so good, and generally most people know about Joe. So yeah, so that's our third sticker today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disappear from you now, as I always do. I'm going to fit it to these three guys are going to be the first one on our sticker board number 3. So I'm going to fit those to the or put them on sticker board number 3, and then I'll bring you back and we'll just have a quick review of sticker board 1, 2 and see the guys up on sticker board number 3. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back. So there we have sticker board number 1, and some fabulous channels there. And what we'll do is I'll just move you over, and then we'll have a look at sticker board number 2. Okay, so there we are with sticker board number 2. So let's zoom in a little bit. So yeah, all good guys there, and as I mentioned before, links to the channels are in the description. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the 3 new ones on sticker number 3. Okay, so there's the new sticker board, and the 3 guys look a bit lonely up there. So many thanks to Ed, Al and Joe for your stickers. And if anyone's got some who wants to do a sticker swap, please get in touch. If there's anyone who thinks they've sent a sticker and it's not appeared here, it could well have got lost. So let me know and we'll make sure we do some swaps. Okay, so as always, many thanks for watching. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.